Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're diving into the world of wood, exploring different types and their unique characteristics. By the end, you'll confidently navigate the lumber aisle like a seasoned pro. When we talk about softwood, we're referring to wood from coniferous trees like pine, fir, and cedar. These trees are known for their needle-like leaves and cones. These trees grow faster and are more abundant, making softwoods budget-friendly. Their rapid growth means they can be harvested more frequently, ensuring a steady supply. Softwoods are great for construction, framing, sheathing, decks, and fences. They are often used in building homes and outdoor structures due to their strength and ease of use. Despite the name, softwoods are strong and versatile. They can support significant weight and withstand various weather conditions. Think of a sturdy pine bookshelf or a cedar-lined chest, both durable and beautiful. These items showcase the practical and aesthetic qualities of softwood. Softwoods cut cleanly, sand smoothly, and take nails and screws easily. This makes them a favorite among carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. Their natural grain patterns add character to furniture and crafts. Each piece of softwood has a unique look, adding a touch of nature to any project. However, they can be more susceptible to dents and scratches, so a durable finish is recommended. Proper finishing can enhance their longevity and appearance. Softwoods accept paint and stain beautifully, offering great versatility. You can customize the look to match any decor style. Their affordability, workability, and natural beauty make softwoods a true workhorse in woodworking. Whether you're building furniture, crafting, or constructing, softwoods are a reliable choice. Let's move on to hardwoods from deciduous trees like oak, maple, and cherry. These trees shed their leaves annually, contributing to their unique characteristics. Known for their strength, durability, and stunning grain patterns, hardwoods grow slower and are denser. This slow growth results in tighter grain patterns, adding to their visual appeal. Their longevity and beauty often make them worth the higher price. Investing in hardwoods means investing in quality that can last generations. Think of a classic oak dining table, a centerpiece that can withstand daily use and still look elegant, or a beautiful maple cutting board, which not only serves a practical purpose but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Hardwoods withstand years of use and still look stunning. Their resilience makes them ideal for high-traffic areas. They're more resistant to dents and scratches, perfect for furniture and flooring. This makes them a preferred choice for families and pet owners. Hardwoods require sharper tools and more effort to work with, but the results are rewarding. The craftsmanship involved in working with hardwoods is often reflected in the final product. Their natural grain patterns often need just a clear coat to shine. This minimal finishing enhances their natural beauty. Hardwoods are often reserved for special projects where durability and aesthetics are key. Custom furniture, musical instruments, and heirloom pieces often feature hardwoods. Even small touches of hardwood can elevate your projects. Adding hardwood accents can transform a simple piece into something extraordinary. If you want wood that's beautiful and built to last, hardwoods are an excellent choice. Their timeless appeal and robust nature make them a favorite among woodworkers and homeowners alike. Now, let's talk about engineered wood, a modern player in the wood world, revolutionizing the way we think about wood products. This includes products like plywood, particle board, and MDF, made from wood fibers or veneers bonded with strong adhesives. Engineered wood offers dimensional stability, resisting warping and bowing. It's ideal for cabinetry, shelving, and flooring. Engineered woods are incredibly versatile and can be manufactured in large sheets, perfect for sheathing and subfloors in construction projects. They can mimic the look of solid wood at a fraction of the cost. However, be mindful of the adhesives used. Some may contain formaldehyde. Look for low-VOC or formaldehyde-free options for better indoor air quality, ensuring a healthier living environment. Engineered woods can be tricky to finish, but are great for paint. For a cost-effective, stable, and versatile wood product, engineered wood is worth considering. Its benefits make it a smart choice for many applications. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the wonderful world of wood. We've covered softwood, hardwood, and engineered wood, exploring their unique characteristics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.